Hi guys! So I have a very exciting news to share with all of you. From the month of May, I will be working as a design team member for Dress My Craft. Dress My Craft is a company which was started by Shalini Mittal in India, and it is a very versatile company which is making some beautiful stuffs. And I have got my design team package, and I will be showing each one of you what I have got in my design team package. And all the products by the company Dress My Craft are super versatile. I mean, they're not just specifically into a certain thing, they're into all kinds of craft products, like from fabric transfers to stencils to your mixed media needs, to all bubblegum accessories. And I mean, it's super versatile. And for a crafter like me who is into all kind of genres, like I make baby books, I make mixed media art, I make canvases, I make a lot of scrapbooks. So for me, this brand works very well because I get to work with different products which I can incorporate in my art. So without any further delay, I will start showing you all the beautiful stuff which I've got from this company. So the first thing which I will show you all is some paper pads, which are again their in-house productions. Everything which I'm showing you is their in-house production, like they're not from any other company. It is just the company Dress My Craft which is basically designing them and making them. And so let's get started. So the first paper pad which I got is this one called Hydrangea Lawns, and this is a very nice blue color paper pad with some beautiful sheets. And you can clearly see this is a brand Dress My Craft. This is a logo, and that's how you can recognize them. And then there is this address, Dress My Craft, New Delhi, the address. And you can actually go check out their website, which is over here, www.dressmycraft.com. and I'm gonna link down the website below with I'll try to link down as many products as possible. And now let's see this paper pad. So this is how the paper pad is, and we're gonna open this up and see the beautiful designs. And one thing which I really like about their paper pads is the fact that there are more designs and less duplicates. So there are 2 sheets each of 12 designs, and there are 24 papers, which works pretty well for me because usually all the paper pads which I have, they have like 4 duplicates, okay? And eventually once you are done using a paper, you generally don't tend to use it again because you don't want your layout or your project to look exactly similar to what you have made before. So this one works for me because, you know, this one has just 2 sheets and I can easily finish up the paper pad, which is very good. All the sheets are super pretty. So this is one paper pad which I got. Another one which I got from Dress My Craft is got some stripes, and this one again is a beautiful paper pad, and this one has very nice shabby background. It is not like very I wouldn't say it is very hard pink or hard green. It's a very shabby background, and it's perfect for shabby chic work. I mean, this paper, I'm gonna use it and make something really pretty out of it. This is another sheet, another paper pad which I got, and this is again 2 sheets of 12 designs each. And then another paper pad which I got was this one, and this one is 6 by 6, not 12 by 12. And they do have a 12 by 12 in this one available. And just to get a feel of it, they have sent me a 6 by 6 paper pad, and this one is called Baby Girl. And again, it's perfect paper for anything related to baby, and I'm gonna definitely make a mini album using this beautiful paper pad. Okay, so the next thing which I'm gonna show are their sheets of cuttable die cuts. And this is a star sheet for me. I mean, because Usually when I make my projects, I use a lot of die cuts. I do a lot of fussy cutting if there's no die cut available from the paper, and then I try to make my own elements while assembling a layout or any project. So this one is, I think, baby related, and there are 2 sheets in this. And then there is this is my absolute favorite. It has loads of butterflies, and this would work very well for a person like me who is into butterflies. And then there is this another one, and this one has got floral motifs, and it's again very pretty. I'm gonna fussy cut them and show you guys what all I'm going to make with them. And again, the popular one, which is baby girl motif sheets. So the thing with baby girl is, so I have got a baby girl and a baby boy. Okay, so the thing with baby girl and baby boy is that in India, as you all know, we are highly populated, so there are babies all around. So baby girl and baby boy books are very, very, very popular. When I was in India, I made a huge fortune out of just by selling baby girl and baby album just by selling baby album books, because that is how it was. After moving down to US, I realized there's no scope here, and that's why I started studying and got a coding job, which I really enjoy. And then the next one is this hydrangea lawn motif sheets, and this one is in coordination with this. They work very well together, and you'll see me using all of this in my upcoming projects. Most of my projects will have accompanying tutorials so that you can see what I'm making. There is absolutely no sense that I make it and I just share the picture. I mean, I want you guys to learn that how I'm making it. So I'll be sharing that. And now the next thing which I'm going to show you is my collection of fabric transfers, and this is the design which I'm getting in fabric transfers, and they're again super pretty, and I haven't used it yet, but definitely I'll be using it. I can make some beautiful bags. She sent me a beautiful canvas bag on which I'll be using this and making something super shaggy. If you look down to my previous videos, like 10 videos back, you'll see that I used to make a lot of shabby stuff with laces and blings and all. So eventually I've kind of stopped making them because I've got into mixed media these days and layouts these days. But I think I'm gonna get back just to use this pretty fabric transfer sheet. So on to the next item, which is, I'm telling you guys, this is my favorite. Okay, this is my absolute favorite item in their entire collection, and these are stencils. Give me 1,000 stencils, it will be still less. So for me, I love stencils, and look at the designs. This crackle is so amazing. And then there is another stencil with distressed hearts, and this is again super, super, super pretty. And then there is another one, and this one is called, I mean, there's no name to it, but I can definitely link down these stencils. Yeah, I cannot find the name, but yes, these stencils are my to-go. I just love them, and I was just waiting to make my video of designing packets so that I can start playing with them. So these are the beautiful stencils which I've got in my DT package, and I'm really, really, really appreciative of Shalini of sending me these beautiful supplies, because these were hard to ship. I mean, they're coming from India. So all of this, phase 1, and now let's move on to the next part. So in the next part, I'll show you all the flowers which I have got as a part of my design team package. So the first thing is this canvas bag. I'm not going to open it. It's a big canvas bag on which I can use the fabric transfer and make something pretty. I have something like this, some aprons like this, and I think I'm going to use fabric transfers on those two. So this is one thing. And then these are the beautiful flowers which I have bought from DMC, and they are again their in-house productions. And these are the colors, and there are a few more which I'm gonna just get on my screen. So here, so these flowers, they don't need any introduction. I mean, they're pretty self-explanatory. how they are. I mean, they're pretty popular everywhere, and these are beautiful mulberry flowers, and I just love them. So this is one, and you can see like it's a combination of flowers and leaves in all the possible colors which she could send. And again, I really appreciate for everything that my craft has sent to me. And now let's move on to the next one. And now what I'm going to show you guys is an absolute delight. It's a complete eye candy, and all of this is DMC's innovation. And this is the whole box. That's how I've kept it, because I want all the stuff to be always separated out while I'm making my projects. So let's get started. So this is, I think, one of the best inventions ever. See this beautiful twirl of leaves, small leaves, and they would look so pretty on a project. Like on my miniature projects, it would be so perfect, right? Making vines and trees out of it. So this is one thing which I've got. Then I'll show you these confettis and shakers, and then I'll be making a very nice video for all of you in which I will be teaching you all how to make beautiful embellishments using these confettis. So this is confetti, and super good quality. Like, I'm just impressed by the quality. That's the most important thing. And the packaging is perfect. Look at the packaging, it is top notch, right? So this is rainbow confetti, and then there are these sequins which I use a lot, and I'm opening each one of them right in front of you guys. These are the sequins, super high quality. Trust me guys, this is like one of the best quality stuff I've ever seen. And then I'm not going to open this one. This one is pretty much self-explanatory. It's star sequins, star and circle in blue color. And similarly, this is a little shade of lilac. That's how it is. Let me zoom in a little. Yeah. And then there is this one, little hearts, and this is my favorite. This is my favorite, literally. Perfect for Valentine's projects, perfect for making embellishments, shaker embellishments, and very good quality. Like I was telling before, it's plastic, very hard plastic, and very cute quality. Finishing is top notch. Then for mixed media, and then there's another one. This is the last one, I think, in sequence, and this is again a mix of stars and glitters and everything, and this is called Say It with Heart Sequence. The names are pretty nice. I mean, they have been very well thought of. And now onto the mixed media stuff. Let's see. So this is, I'm first going to show you guys the powders, the different kinds of powders which I have. And these are the 6 different powders. This one is called Sparkling Dust. Okay. This one is called Rainbow Glitter Chunks. This one is called Frosted Sugar Powder, Glitter Powder, Rainbow Glitter, and Mouse Powder. So let's see the Sparkling Dust, and these are so perfect for mixed media projects. I can't even explain. Let's take off the seal, but this is a very nice fine glitter, very fine glitter. Okay, I think best would be seeing it upside down. Yeah, very nice fine glitter. And then this one is again a fine glitter, but this one is a little bit more slippery by texture. Like if you'll see, it's a little more coarse than this one, and it has a hint of pink in it, and it's called Rainbow Glitter Chunks. Okay, and this is very pretty. Another one is Frosted Sugar Powder. So Frosted Sugar Powder, if you guys remember, there was this thing called Diamond Dust which I used to use a lot. It is basically something like that, but in a better quality, and it is completely clear and there's no color in it, so I can actually add my own glitter and make it colored. So this is called Frosted Sugar Powder. and you'll see me using all of this in my projects very soon. Then I have another bag of rainbow glitter, and this one is rainbow glitter chunks. This one is a little bit more granular than this one. This one is more powdered. And then I have this microfine glitter powder. This is again, basically I think all of them, they go together. The main difference between all of these four, this one is color for sure, but at least for these three, what I can figure out is the size of the glitter, the size of the grain. So they're super nice, super easy to use. You'll see me using them in my projects very soon. And then this is my favorite. This is called moss powder. It is green in color, and this is, I think, one of the best things by Dress My Craft for mixed media. I've not seen it with any other company still as of now, and I think I'll be using this one a lot. So all of these bottles, and then I have these micro beads. So there are two micro beads, two colors. This is a bigger size and a little bit more whiter, and this one is a little between gray and white and a finer size. So these are the two micro beads which I got. And now on to other embellishments, which I have way too many. Then I've got these two wines which I really like, and they'll be perfect for cards and perfect as fillers. So these are the two wines which I've got. And then Shalini was very kind enough to send me these beautiful flowers, and there are some more colors in this. I'm trying to see, yeah, you can see all the beautiful colors of these flowers together, and too perfect for shabby chic projects, and very soon we'll see what I'm talking about. Then she sent me some beautiful embellishments, and I'm quickly gonna give you a flip through because it is almost impossible to explain everything. This video is gonna become too long. So these are the beautiful embellishments which I've got, and they are too perfect for my shabby chic projects, for my albums, for my mixed media. I'm gonna show you guys whatever I'll make. I'll link down each and every product below so that it is easy for you all to figure out what I'm talking about. And look at the tassels, bows, all these beautiful fashion accessories. Everything is absolutely gorgeous. Look at this. Another packet of flower, bows, wines, bows. Ah, this is so cute. This is a bell. This is very cute. Then beads. All of this. Look at this. Pretty, right? And this bow and some twines and some more bows. And look at this one. This is again very pretty. So a very generous design team package by Dress My Craft. Thank you so much, and thank you guys for watching this video. I know it's a little bit long, but I'll try to make some very nice short videos for you guys. The new one which is going to be coming up very soon is how to make teeny tiny embellishments using no tools. Absolutely no tools, just embellishments. Okay, so see you guys for the next time. Everything is listed down below, all my information, shop link and everything. And if you have any questions, shoot me an email. Bye bye, take care.